Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today we are going to make this cheesy, gooey, buttery garlic bread restaurant style. And let me tell you, it is so simple that you can make it in just about 15 minutes. So let's get started and check it out. We're going to make the garlic butter. For this, to a pan, add enough oil to fry the garlic cloves. So I've taken about 2 whole garlic pods. This is roughly about 25 garlic cloves in this cup. Gently drop them into the oil and just fry them till they turn to a lovely golden brown color. This is going to make the garlic butter all the more flavorful. Maintain the flame on a medium-low while frying the garlic. Just look at those beautiful garlic cloves fried to a lovely golden brown color. So you can remove them from the oil at this point. Just drain out all that excess oil and transfer it to a cup. Once the garlic cloves have cooled down, transfer it to the mixer jar. To this I'm adding 100 grams of unsalted butter. I'm just adding 2 green chilies finely chopped. Next add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half teaspoon of chili flakes and a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Next I'm adding half teaspoon of salt. Now you can always adjust the seasoning according to your taste. This is just a quick and easy way to make your garlic butter. Wow, the garlic butter smells amazing. Now you can see because I've added the coriander, the color's changed a little bit. If you don't want to add the coriander while blending the butter, you can always chop it and add it later. So we're going to use these soft, fresh Pav Buns to make this garlic bread, but you can use any bread of your choice. I'm just cutting it into half. To the bread, I'm adding the prepared garlic butter. So I'm adding a generous amount of garlic butter and we're going to spread it all over the bread. Spread it generously and evenly on all sides. So the bread is going to absorb all that butter. You can make this garlic butter in advance and store it in the refrigerator, and you can make this yummy cheesy garlic bread whenever you feel like it. Now we're going to top it off with diced processed cheese. So this is easily available in supermarkets. So this is actually a mixture of mozzarella and cheddar. Just sprinkle it with some chili flakes. Next, top it with some Italian seasoning. Now this is also easily available in the supermarkets. So if you have oregano, you can use that as well. Finally, add coriander leaves. Comment cheese if this cheesy garlic bread made you hungry. Heat a pan on low flame. I'm just going to add a teaspoon of butter. Just spread across the pan. Place the prepared garlic bread onto the pan. Close the pan and cook till the cheese melts. This will roughly take about 7 to 8 minutes. Make sure to leave it on low flame throughout. So you can see I've sealed the spout here. We don't want any heat going out. Wow, just look at that beautiful cheesy garlic bread. The cheese is melted completely. Look how gooey and nice it looks. The best way to enjoy it is immediately while the cheese is still hot. It's time to enjoy this cheesy goodness. Oh wow. I love cheese. I'm really enjoying this. It's just too good. You don't want to miss this, guys. You should try it. I'm sure you all will enjoy. Wow, that was so yummy. I loved it. There's nothing like making your own cheesy, hot, fresh and gooey garlic bread at home and and just having a nice bite immediately. Well, I'm sure you guys are drooling out there, so don't waste any time. Try the recipe and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.